like the most complicated numbers because we are going to learn them, like, for example, numbers with hundreds, with million, and so on. So let's start to see what are we gonna check today with the numbers. And perfect. Well, let's see. We start with the numbers. So in this moment, I am going to open a document so that you can see how to read the numbers. And okay, let's start. We are here ready for the numbers, and pay attention. Well, I think that before we start with bigger numbers, I think it could be a good idea if we review pronunciation from smaller numbers. No, for example, let me see. Here we have some numbers that I would like to listen to you because I wanna make sure your pronunciation is okay, right? Let me see. I wanna listen to the numbers from 0 to 20. Do you wanna be the first one, Guadalupe? Come on, let me hear you.
0. ¿Todos? ¿Cuál?
Come on, quickly, let's go.
1,
0, 1, 2.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Great, that's the right way in pronunciation. Olga, you go next. Come on.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay, that's great. Okay, let me just give access to Mariana because I suppose she wants to enter, and perfect. Okay, yes. Well, we're checking the numbers, girls, and well, perfect. Olga and Guadalupe said the numbers without any problems. Let's go with another. Let me see. Eileen, do you want to say the numbers? Come on, Eileen, from 0 to 20.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Very good. Nice pronunciation. Well, let's go with the next one. Miroslava, you want to be the next? Let me hear you. Come on.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay, it seems like we don't have problems from 0 to 20. So now we finish with Mariana, and then we go with more complicated numbers. Come on, Mariana, let me hear your numbers from 0 to 20.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20.
Okay, Mariana, can you please say this number again? This one?
15.
Yes, now you have it right. Very good. Well, look at these girls. Now we're gonna start saying the numbers, but listen to my instruction. Yes, we're gonna say the numbers 20 by 20. Yes, 20 by 20. For example, I'll be the first. 20, 30,
Ok,
40,
soy tu intérprete.
and what? What is this? Okay, when it's 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. All right? 10 by 10. Let's see. Now we change places. You will be the first one, Olga. Come on. 10 by 10, starting from 20 to 90. Come on.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28.
Olga,
No,
Olga,
no, okay.
time. Because I said 10 by 10. 20,
10,
30.
okay. Yeah. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 17, 18, 19, 100.
I listen some problems with pronunciation because you need to emphasize more the ending because it's 40. Okay, you have two options, Olga. Listen to me. You can say, you can decide which one do you prefer. You can say 40, or the other option is 40, or 50, 60, 70. You need to emphasize more the ending, which is T. All right? Come on, Olga, let me hear you again. I need more emphasis in the last part of the number. Come on. 20,
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Great. That's excellent. Now I heard the emphasis and it was really, really good. Okay. Well, you go next, Guadalupe. Come on, let me hear you.
Okay, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Okay, no problems with this. You go next, Mariana. Come on, let me hear you. Let's go, Mariana. Come on, you can start.
¿Cuáles?
Okay, listen to this, Mariana. We are going to say the numbers from 20 to 100, 10 by 10. For example, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, you know? Come on.
Oh,
No?
no.
Okay, don't worry. Okay, let me pass another, but pay attention, all right? Eileen, are you ready to say the numbers 10 by 10? Starting from 20 to 100. Come on.
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
That's the way. Now you go next, Miroslava, and then we go back with you, Mariana. Come on. Come on, Miroslava. Let me hear you.
Mm,
Come on, let's go. 20. Hello? Come on, 20.
20,
No, listen to me. Okay, 20. And then you start, Miroslava. 30, 40, 50. Yes, come on, let's go.
20,
Mhm.
30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 101.
That's
Sorry.
all. Thank you. Ready, Mariana? Now it's your turn. Did you listen? What happened? Come on. Come on, Mariana. 10 by 10.
30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
That's okay. Perfect. All right, girls. We're going to stop with this for a moment because now we are going to learn. Yes, in this moment, you're going to start watching my screen, but with the document. And now I am going to teach you how to read the years in English. This is very important because many people, believe it or not, they pass to advanced level or to intermediate level and they don't know this. And I think it's very basic to know it. So pay attention. For example, first, I'm going to say in what year I was born, for example. I was born, okay, let me make the number a little bit thicker. It's 1983, all right? So I am going to read the years in this way, right? For example, I go like this and then the other one. For example, this year, pay attention to this. This is not a regular number. It's a year. So this year I read it 1983. You see it? 1983. That's the year where I was born, right? So I'm going to listen to you girls. You're going to tell me how to read the years, yeah? Depending on the year you were born. For example, you have to say this phrase. I was born in, right? Take a look at the chat because I will tell you what's the meaning of I was born. Check it. Can you see it? There in the chat, I sent you the message. So, well, let me start with you, Eileen. Eileen, in what year you were born? Come on, say this phrase and tell me in what year you were born, Eileen. Come on. Is everything okay, Eileen? You can tell me what year you were born? Or then I ask another person? Well, let's see. Well, I want to know from Guadalupe, in what year you were born? Can you tell me?
Okay, I was born in 1983.
Oh, like me? That's great. That's great. It's a good year to be born. And you, Olga, in what year you were born?
1963.
Okay, that's great. It's another year with 3 in the end. And you, Mariana, in what year you were born? Can you tell us?
I was born in 1983.
Oh my God, we have people from the same age here. That's so cool. Well, let me hear another. And you, Miroslava, in what year you were born?
1997.
1997?
Yes.
Okay, that's excellent. Eileen, can you talk? Can you tell us in which year you were born, Eileen? Come on, so that we can go on to the next one. Come on.
I was born in 2002.
20, like this, Eileen? Yes?
Two.
Okay. Okay, Eileen. Listen to this, girl. This is very important because now we have a person from a different century. So, Eileen, for this one, you say 20, and here, since we have a 0, we say 2002, or the other option is 2002. What do you prefer, Eileen? Do you prefer to say 2002 or 2002? What do you prefer, girl? Exactly. These are both options. So pay attention to this because for a new century, the situation is a little bit different. Yes, you say 2002 or 2002. But for example, what if we go back in time to the past? And for example, how can we read this year? Do you know, Olga? How can we read this year in English? Can you tell me?
Sorry, I don't put
Don't
attention.
understand?
Yes.
No, okay, don't, you didn't pay attention, no problem, okay.
Okay.
This is a year, the year. How can I read this year in English? Can you tell me?
1960, no, 1940?
No, okay, check the number again.
1904? No, 1904?
Okay, you got it almost right. This number, you call it O.
1904.
Exactly. That's the way you read it. Very nice, Olga. Thank you. Well, let's go to the next one. Okay, let me show you another for you, Guadalupe. This is for you. Okay. How can I read this year, Guadalupe?
1607.
1607, exactly. And let me show you another year. This is gonna be for Miroslava, right? What year was this, Miroslava?
1807.
18 what?
1807.
1807, that's right. And this one, it's gonna be for Mariana, right? Let me see. It's a long time ago, but okay. Come on, Mariana, what year is this?
3004.
30? Hmm. Are you sure it's a 30?
30.
No.
I don't know.
No? Okay, remember, Mariana, let me show you very quickly this. Check the numbers here. You have to emphasize the numbers like this. 13, 13. Yes, exactly. It's very important because if not, these confusions happen. So what year is this?
1304.
Exactly. It's year 1304. And we finish with this. I think the only person that is missing to participate, it's Eileen. Let me choose a number for you. How about this, Eileen? What year is this? This one in purple color.
1701.
Exactly, all right. I have a question for you, Guadalupe. Check this out. We have already read these numbers and apparently we don't have any questions, but let me show you this year. How can you read this year, Guadalupe? Do you know?
I don't know, teacher.
No? No?
No.
Okay, pay attention to this. What? Yeah?
29?
No.
No es cierto, no es cierto. Es 1900?
You were close, but no. Okay, let me tell you how.
W.
Listen to this, girls. This is new and important information. This year is the year 1900. Can you believe it? 1900. Yes. We use this for years. Yes. And if you want to use it for money, that's okay. But for normal quantities, that's not okay, right? It's only for money, remember? For money or for years. For example, remember it's 100. So let me see. How can we read this year, Mariana? Do you know? Can you tell us?
1800.
1800.
Yes, it's year 1800. And this is gonna be for you, Guadalupe. What year is this?
1500.
Again, please.
1500.
Yeah, okay, because I heard you said 15 and I was like, no, that's not okay, never. Well, let me show you another. This is gonna be for you, Olga, okay? What year is this, Olga?
1400.
Yes. I have a question for you, Miroslava, but this one is different, yes? Pay attention to this. How much money is this, Miroslava? Come on, girl. Say it. How much money is this, Miroslava? Do you know? It's about money. No? Come on. It's like a year, Miroslava. Come on. I help you. Come on. What number is this?
1300.
Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. 1300 what? Dollars, no?
Dollars.
Yes, exactly. Or pesos, right? So, okay, you can use it, girls. Remember, you can use this for, I don't know what's coming this. Well, ignore it, okay? So, this one, you can use it for years or for numbers, okay? So, watch out. Sorry, for years or for money, right? These are the two different ways where you can use it, okay? Let me ask this one to Eileen, right? Eileen, how much money is this? Check it. How much money is this, Eileen?
1600 money.
Dollars, no? Dollars. Or pesos, no? Okay, what chart is for? You can use it only for two ways, or for money or for years, and that's all right? Well, let me see. Here are the years we said it that we can use it also for numbers of like quantities of money, but well, let me show you another. This is a year, right? Yes. How can we read this year, Guadalupe? Do you know? What year is this?
2100.
So you have two options. You can say year 2100 or year 2100. Yes?
2100. Okay.
You have two options to read it, and the same case here. It happens like with, for example, from the year when Eileen was born, you can say 2002. So I think this is the moment to read more difficult numbers. I can see you have no problems with years, so let's go with something more complicated. All right, let me see. So let's start to read bigger numbers, like for example this one, right? So we have here numbers, and we have it here. Okay, this is gonna be very easy, right? Because look at this. We read this number. I'm gonna separate it in colors so that it can be easier for you, okay? Pay attention. Every color is going to represent something. Check it. And okay, well, this one not so dark. Let me change to another color and ready. Okay, under I'm going to type a letter T, and under number 5 is letter H. Yes, because check my system, right? This is gonna help you to read the numbers easier, right? Give me a moment because this thing got crazy, and let me move the size of the numbers and we can see them better. Okay, like this. Okay, pay attention. When we have these numbers, we read them like this. For example, I can say letter T equals 1000, right? So it's like this. Check it. This letter T represents 1000. So letter H represents 100. All right? So check it out. What number is this? 4,578. Yes, you want to try? Let's see. Why don't we change numbers, all right? Pay a lot of attention. And this one is going to be for you, Olga, right? You will be the first one to pass. Give me a moment, and you will have your number ready. Okay, Olga, what number is this? The one in colors.
9,321.
Great. So let me change to another. This is going to be for Guadalupe. Come on, Guadalupe. What number is this?
7,852. 52.
Yes, watch out with this because I heard you had a mistake previously. So it's 52, all right? It's not 5. This one, it's going to be for Miroslava, okay? Pay attention to this, Miroslava, because you're about to say another number, which is this one. Come on, Miroslava. What number is this?
2,900 77.
Yeah, that's right. Very good. Well, who's missing? I think Mariana is missing, all right? Here it's going to be the number for you now, a little bit bigger instead of this. This is too easy. Come on, Mariana. I have just changed the number. Let's go.
9,344.
Yeah, that's good. So we finished with you, Eileen. This is going to be your number. Let me see. Okay, Eileen, come on. Let me hear you reading this number. Let's go.
8,900 188.
88. Very good. Okay. So then I can see that we have no problem. So why don't we go to bigger numbers step by step? For example, let's go with this. Okay. So we continue. Let me just give a space to this. And yes. Now listen to this. Green color. 18,188. That's the number. So let's start to change numbers, and little by little we will go higher. What number? Sometimes I don't know what number do I choose. Yes, this is for you, Olga. Come on, let me hear you.
57,268.
Great, very good. Okay, I think you are the next one, Guadalupe. So let me type the number. Come on, Guadalupe, there you go.
78,922.
That's good, very nice. Let me see. Who will be the next one? Yes, it's you, Miroslava. So this is the number for you. Sometimes I don't know what number do I put. Let's see. Come on, Miroslava. Here you go.
12,499.
Yes, that's correct. That's another option, girls. If you want, you can say "and" when you're about to finish. That's a good option. But if you don't want to say it, it's optional. That's not a problem. So let me see. The next one, I think it's Mariana. Let's see him. And there you go, Mariana. Come on, all yours.
16.
Emphasis, Mariana. Emphasis. 60. 60. Yes.
67, the 100,000,
Okay. Okay,
300,
Mariana. Time. What number is this in green? 67. No.
67,
67. Letter T. Come on.
1,000, 67,356.
Great. Way to go. Well, I hear it better. So now we finish with Eileen, and after that we start to go high. Right? Let's see. And this. Yes. Come on, Eileen. You go next.
24,711.
Great. No problem. Thank you, girl. So, well, let's go higher, right? Look at this. We are going to have some changes. Pay attention. The change is about to be. Okay, let's look at this. So, now let's make some changes because everything has changed now a little bit. Okay, so let's start to see it. We're going to make some changes. Watch out. Now the story will be different. We're going to change letters. Give me a moment because it's missing too. And that's the way it is. Let me color it so that you don't get confused. Okay, pay attention to this. Let's go. 700 green. Yes, I'm gonna put it in green color. 724,000 purple. 711. Can you see now? I am saying 100 twice. Yes, for the first number and then for the last one. I'm gonna say it again. Green, 724,000. Yeah, purple, 700 again. Green, 11. That's the number. Why don't we try, right? Let's start to change numbers and see what happens. This is getting interesting and complicated at the same time, but I'm pretty sure you can do it because you are very smart. Let's see. Do you want to be the first one? Come on,
Okay, 655,167.
Great, you are the master of numbers. Very good. Congratulations. Well, let's see. Okay, Guadalupe, I need you to help me, right? To say, don't say the exact number. Just tell me what number do I have to type, okay? And I do it. Say the number, 5, 4, 3, come on. This is for Olga.
There. 400.
Don't say the number, no. Only tell me 4, 5, 9, 3, etc. Yes, because I don't have more creativity, so I need you to help me.
When
4, they're in. Tell me, say the number for me. 4, 6, I don't.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, give me a moment. 4, 3. Oh my God. 3, 2, 1.
1, 9, 9.
Okay, Olga. Guadalupe, choose this number for you. Can you read it? Come on.
9, 9.
9, 9, yes.
Okay.
Come on, Olga. Let's go.
8321199.
No, but now
Only one.
No, now you have to read the number for me. Read it.
Okay.
You know, 400, etc.
Okay. 800.
No. Okay. Listen to my instruction in Spanish in the chat. Come on. This is the number Guadalupe said it for you.
8.
No, but what 8? Okay, we have a 4 in here. Can you see it?
Okay, this is okay. 420. Perdón, ahí voy. Sorry.
Follow the colors. Follow the colors.
432,199.
That's all. No more. Okay, great. Well, let's see. This is gonna be for you, Eileen. Okay, pay attention. Because if not, we get confused. Okay, Eileen, you go next. Come on, let me hear you. What's the number?
767,328.
Great. Very good. Thank you very much. Guadalupe, help me once again say numbers, but slow down, okay? Take it easy. Slow down. Come on, Guadalupe.
3, 3, 8, 7, 5, 6, 9.
Okay, this is gonna be for you, Mariana. Come on, you can do it. Let's go. Follow the colors.
300, 18,7,000.
Pronunciation, Mariana, 80. What do you prefer, 80 or 80? What do you want?
80.
Okay, come on again from the beginning. 300.
387,569.
So, very nice. Guadalupe, please again, because my creativity is dead. Come on, no.
7, 5, 3, 8, 16.
Hmm? I'm going to change it. Okay. Well, this is gonna be for you, Miroslava. Okay. Come on, Miroslava, you can.
753,813.
Great. You did it so nice. So Guadalupe passed, Olga passed, Mariana did, Eileen, and Miroslava. So I can see we have no problems with the numbers. You did it very fine, because if you want to have higher numbers, it's the same. 17 million. I don't know. It's okay. Let me see. Okay, if it's for numbers, forget it. It's almost the same. Check it out. Now I'm going to put some commas, because if not, you're gonna get confused. All right. And now I'm going to add another color, but it's basically the same. Now I'm going to add the number million, right? It's not correct in English. It's not correct to say millions. No, 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 no. Million, right? Is it correct? Is correct to say 2 million, 3 million, 4 million? Because million is a word in plural, so it's not necessary to say it millions. No, that's not okay. It's million. For example, this one, let me color it in yellow. So you say 1,753,813, and that's all, right? Or if I want to have it bigger, check it. 31,753,813. I think you can do it, but with no colors, all right? So I'm going to put the number here with no colors, because this is the final challenge for you. I'm pretty sure you can do it, okay? Let me see. What number could it be? This one. Hey, come on, this is gonna be for you, Olga. Let me hear you. This number. Come on.
23,890,112.
Great. You did it so well, Olga. Very, very good. Okay, let's erase this number and let's go to another more difficult one. Come on, this is for you, Guadalupe. You can do it.
56,777,777.
Great. Very, very, very good. You had no problems on this girl. Let me see. Who goes next? Yeah, this is gonna be for Mariana. Let's see. Okay, Mariana. Let's see. I wanna make you feel confused. Come on, Mariana.
99,099,9
Check the
no
colors.
nine
Again. Come on, come on.
900.
Okay, let me help you with colors for you, just for you, because you need some help. Let me see. Green color, purple color. green color again, and we finish with purple color. Come on, now it's easier for you.
99,999,999.
Yes. Okay, perfect. Well, let's see. This is going to be for Miroslava. Miroslava, do you want it with colors or without colors? Tell me, colors or without colors, Miroslava? What do you want?
Colors.
Okay. Okay. Well, okay. I'm gonna give you another very complicated so that no, this one not. Okay, yeah, this. Come on. Oh no,
11.
give me a moment because the colors they changed for some reason, but now they are okay. Come on, sorry.
11,222.
Just like that. Simple. Eileen, do you want it with colors or without colors, Eileen? What do you want? Colors or without colors?
No.
No colors? Excellent. That's the way. That's a real woman. She doesn't want colors. Okay. Let me see. Just because she didn't want colors, this one. Okay, you got a special thing. Let me see. Okay, come on, Eileen. You can do it.
44,221,999. Two.
I see here. I see here something. Can you see it? No.
Oh,
You don't know how to say
that
it?
that too.
Okay, that is for internet websites or email. Do you remember, Guadalupe? I remember once you asked me about this.
Point or was it?
Did you listen, Eileen? It's point, yeah? So these numbers that they have got decimals, we call them with point like. For example, remember this period, it's for example, websites. For example, www.google.com, right? That one is dot, yes. But for numbers, for example, this one 45.6. Yeah. If it's for mathematics, we're gonna call it point, right? So watch out with this because you have to remember. And if you are reading a common text, yes, for example, he is a very important person for me. She lives in Mexico and she is 27 years old. Period. Yes. When I am writing a text, I call it period when I am about to finish. Only when I speak, I call it period. And then for numbers, it's point, and for websites, remember it's dot, right?
How
Can
do
you
you write el puntito de los textos?
For the text, okay, yes, of course. Okay, let me type it here in brackets. Period. Yes. Period. When you read it, maybe you can just say period if you finish, but it's not necessary to mention it. But remember, for text is period, for mathematics is point, and for internet websites is dot. Okay? You have any questions?
D-A-T?
Uh,
Spell that,
yes.
please. Spelling
For
that.
period?
No, spelling that.
Yes, for period.
No, spelling that, please. That
For the internet?
www.dat.
It's www.google.com. Yes. Yes or not?
Yes, that is D-A-T.
Exactly.
Okay.
D-O for writing is O. O.
Oh,
But pronunciation is A. Yeah. D-O-T. Let me type it here so that you can check it. But if you notice, I don't try not to write so much for the pronunciation, because if a person from Mexico reads this, they say dot, and no, it's a that. Okay, www.google.com. All right. So I try not to type very much things in the computer, because for us Spanish speakers, we want to say the pronunciation exactly the same, and sometimes that's not okay. Yeah, it's confusing for us. For example, how can we read this word? Check it. How can we read this Guadalupe? Do you know?
Bus.
No, it's a bus. Bus.
No.
Yes, I'm writing the bus. The bus. No, it's a bus.
No, vos es jefe, ¿no? ¿O no?
Okay, that's bus. 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 You see, for not having confusions in English, I try to emphasize more.
Okay.
Yes, like in the numbers. No, this happened in the numbers like some moments ago. No, that you say 60. Look at my mouth, 60, and then I said 16. Yes, it's very important, this pronunciation, so that the person doesn't get confused with the pronunciation, because everything can change, right? Between, for example, bus and bus is not the same. 60 and 16. But okay, I have something interesting for you, so that we can practice pronunciation in the last minutes. Okay, check this out. We have a tongue twister. We have a tongue twister in English. Let me tell you, what does it mean, tongue twister, by the chat, right? It's a tongue twister. Yes, pay attention. It's very easy. This will help you to improve your pronunciation. Check it.
Uy.
Okay, but I have some help for you. Okay, check it. Pay attention to this trick. I'm going to start moving a little bit. Okay. Okay. Number one. Bird. Bird. Do you know what I mean? Bird. That's the first one. Bird. Birds, they fly. You know. Bird. Beard. Yeah. Beard. Bear. Bear. And beer. You know the difference? Okay, let me say it again. Bird. Bird. Beard. Bear. And beer. Well, let's see if you can handle with this pronunciation. Do you want to be the first one, Olga, to say the pronunciation? Come on. If you say it incorrect,
Bird.
out.
Bird. Beard. Beard.
Yeah, yes.
Bird. Bird. No.
This one. No, this one. Say it
Bird?
again. Come on.
Beer.
Okay, let me classify this in colors so I don't get confused, because if not, we get lost. Okay, give me a moment. Okay, Olga, give me a second, and you are ready now. Okay, Olga. Blue.
Again.
Yes, yes, yes. Blue.
Birds. Birds.
Purple.
Birds.
Yeah,
Blue
no, yeah.
birds. Bird. Birds.
Listen to me. I say the color and you say the pronunciation. Okay, once again. Blue.
Bird.
Purple.
Birds.
Yellow.
Bird.
Red.
Beer.
Yes, that's okay, Olga. Very good. All right, Guadalupe, you know you are the next one. Okay, let's go. Blue.
Bird. Bird.
No. Bird. Bird. Okay, let's
Bird.
try again. Let's try again. Blue.
Bird.
Purple.
Bird.
Beard. Beard.
Okay, bird.
Okay, again. Blue.
Bird.
Purple.
Bird.
Yellow.
Bear.
You're about to finish. Red.
Beard.
No problems with this. Very good. You're up next, Miroslava. Are you ready to pass? Come on. Blue.
Bird.
Purple.
Bird.
Yellow.
Bear.
Red.
Beer.
Nice. At the first attempt. Congratulations. Very good. Mariana, you're up next. Come on. Ready?
Bird.
Blue. Purple.
Bird.
Yellow.
Bird.
And red.
Beard.
Nice. You did it fine. So now it's only we finish with Eileen. Come on, Eileen. You go next. You are the last one. Blue.
Bear.
Purple.
Beer.
Yellow.
Beer.
Again yellow.
Bear.
Yes. And red.
Beer.
Yes. I'll give you like an 8. But okay, girls. I think that's fine. I have no problems with this. You did it very fine. Recording.
Echar una preguntota.
Dime.